Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download, install, configure MySQL Server 9.6 on Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to mysql.com, click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 9.6.0. If you are unable to find the version, click on archives. Then select the operating system Ubuntu Linux. Then select OS version. See here we have the 24.04. Select it. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this deb bundle. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 527 megabytes. And it is star file. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untap the star file and we will install. This will take time. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 9.6.0 tar file. Untar it. tar-exf. Then MySQL. Then press the tab. ls. See, extraction completed. Now we have to install these packages. Before installing them, install following dependencies: sudo apt install macap-ipadic-utf8 libaio-dev. Hit enter. See, both are already nearest versions. Control it. Now install these packages: sudo dpkg -i, then star.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Now set the password for root account. Re-enter the same. See, installation is completed. Now verify the status of the MySQL server. Control A, sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is installed and it is started. See, MySQL server service is active and running and its service status is enabled. Go to it. Control A. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -b. Provide the password that we have set for this root account. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server version number 9.6.0. You can also verify the version by running select version. See, got the same. Okay. Now we will see the list of the databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. See, we have created database. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run a command use, then provide the name of the database. Verify list of tables. So tables. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create table. See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create users. Before that, verify list of users that comes with MySQL installation. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users. See, we have created user. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. Exit MySQL-u. Username is David-p. Provide the password that we have set for this user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. So provide it. We have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server 9.6 on Ubuntu operating systems. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service stopped or inactive 5 seconds ago. Okay, quit. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-p. For the password. See, you are unable to connect. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Verify the status. See, we have started 1 second ago. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Ubuntu DBA. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Ubuntu operating systems. I have already installed DBA on this machine. So open it. Now click on this plus button or go to database and select new database connection. Then select MySQL, then click on next. Then localhost is fine because MySQL is installed on this one. Port number 3306. We have the database bank. Username root. Provide the password that you have set for this root account. Then click on test connection. This is the expected error. Click on OK. Now go to driver properties. Then see here allow public key retrieval. By default it is false. Make it to true. Then click on test connection. See, successfully connected MySQL server version number 9.6.0. Click on OK. Click on finish. Now expand the connection. Expand databases. See here we have these databases. And see here this is the user that we have created. If you want to create database, right click, new database, testdb. Click on OK. See, database is created. Even if you go to this command line client, see, we have created database testdb. Okay, if you want to run queries against this bank database, right click, SQL editor, then open SQL console. Select star from customer, then click on this execute button. See, we got the output. Okay, so we have successfully installed and connected. Exit. These files are not required anymore, so I am deleting them to clear the space. rm star.deb. This command will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Let's remove it. At least we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 9.6 on Ubuntu 24.04. Then we have connected from the MySQL command line client and DBA. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.